Do you know what an exponent is? In mathematics, an exponent is a power, a little number that tells you how often to multiply something. Take a look at 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power. This exponent is placed on a number called the base. When we write a number in exponential form, it means multiply 2 by itself 3 times. This is obviously a really easy way to write a big power instead of as a long number. This one we can simplify because 2 times 2 times 2 is just 8. If you have a variable, you can't really simplify it because x cubed, for example, is just x times x times x. So you don't get any benefit from trying to write it out. The exponent is a way of indicating how many factors of that base you have. If, for example, you have a quantity in parentheses, the exponent applies to everything inside. Suppose I had n minus 7. If I'm going to take n minus 7 to the third power, that's n minus 7 times n minus 7 times n minus 7. And that's probably not a computation you want to do. This is a simple form to write a power of a base. If we know a value for the variable, in this case n, we have to plug it in, substitute, before we raise it to a power in order to find the value. For example, suppose that n is 2. If I put a 2 in there, 2 minus 7, what does that simplify to? 2 minus 7 is negative 5. If I raise negative 5 to the third power, I'm telling myself that I want to multiply negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. When you work that out, we have a negative power, negative result, negative 125. Exponents enable us to write powers of numbers in simple notation. And now you know a little bit more about exponents and bases.